Hey, it's Deb. Sitting in my raised bed tulip garden. You guys, I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with this and how this came out. If you follow the My Main Gardens channel, you will see I have several videos posted starting back in November when I planted all of these bulbs, and then more recently how they've been going and growing and some lessons learned and tips for you. They're so beautiful. I can't even get over it. So I have been asked the question, how do you keep the deer from eating your tulips? Great question. There are a lot of tips and tricks and ideas that you can try. Just go online and Google, how do I keep the deer from eating my tulips? I'll tell you what I do. This may sound crazy. I use coffee grounds. True. So we keep a little bucket in our garage, and after we have our coffee, we just throw the filter and the grounds right in the bucket. And then I come out and I just kind of scatter grounds around my tulips. I do this back here. I also have tulips in the front of the house, and I do that there. I don't know if it works, but I haven't had any deer problems. Now, that said, we don't have a ton of deer here. So I know where my sister lives in Pennsylvania and Pittsburgh. She's got deer everywhere. So she doesn't even try planting tulips. So that's another tip. If you have a lot of deer, don't plant tulips, plant daffodils, plant other spring bulbs and flowers that they don't like. Another tip is to plant tulips within those flowers. So if you can plant some spring flowers that deer don't like, and that's kind of a turnoff, and stick some tulip bulbs in there. So hopefully that will keep them away. Some people will put fencing around, some people will do barbed wire, some people will use sprays that you can find, some people use soap, some people use hot spices. So I would love to know what you do. If you have had success keeping deer away from your spring tulips, what do you use? Put it in the comments, share it with us so we can all learn. Now that we have a puppy, hi Henry, he's napping right now, so this is when I get to make a video for you. Oh man, they take a lot of energy. Love him. He'll be in another video soon. Anyway, where was I going with that? Yes, whatever you put in your garden, if you have pets, little kids, be sure that it's safe for them. So coffee grounds, not good for puppies. So I'm not concerned about putting them in the raised beds because he doesn't get into these. And anywhere I think that he's gonna get into something, I won't do it. So just be careful. Same with any repellents that that are on the market. Just make sure that they're safe for your pets, or in a location where your pets will stay away. So that's it. Aren't these gorgeous? I mean, I can't get over how well this came out. So any comments, any questions, please leave a comment. Thanks for hanging out with me in My Main Tulip Gardens, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye.